Hi friends, today I am with a new smartphone and this is by Micromax. The name of the device is Micromax in 2C and definitely the device is an entry level smartphone. We will talk about device each and everything. Starting with the device first, we will talk about the unboxing, the first impression and all the features what the Micromax in 2C is going to offer. We will also talk about that you should buy the device or not. So let's check out the video first and know about Micromax in 2C. So we have the typical Micromax boxing and here it is written in 2C. Talking of the device, it comes with the 3 GB of RAM, 32 GB of internal storage. Price point still we don't know, but definitely we will talk about the price point later on. Now first I will get rid of the polythene wrap and after that we will see what are the box content and what it features. The best part of the Micromax smartphone till now is that the software. It comes with the Android, which is a pure stock Android. In this we are getting Android 11. I hope that Micromax rolls out the software updates and the security patches on a regular basis. Talking about the device will be coming in two colors. It will be silver and brown color. The device what we got is in brown color. And definitely with the silver and brown, I like the brown color because it is a very new color. Now talking about the other box content, we also get a SIM card ejector tool. We also get a screen guard with some paperwork and also the plastic back cover. Now coming to the device, we are also getting 10 watt of charger and also Type-C charging port. So this is a good thing that you are getting a Type-C charging port. Here you can pause the video and check out the rating for the charger. Now talking about the device, it comes with a water drop notch. It has a display of 6.52 inch which is a HD display with the pixel resolution 1600 into 720p. In the side you are getting a power button and volume rocker key. In the bottom you are getting a Type-C charging port, 3.5mm jack and also noise cancellation mic. It comes with the dual SIM card support with 4G and also the micro SD card slot which can be expandable up to 256 GB. So this is the slot what you are getting, and other than that the device comes with the 420 nits of brightness and the display is definitely good. It comes with the water drop notch and it is a 6.52 inch display. It doesn't have any fingerprint sensor. It has a dual camera setup at the back with LED flash. We will definitely talk about that later on. The speakers are on the back side. Talking about the battery, it comes with the 5000 mAh battery, which is definitely a mammoth battery, and holding the device doesn't feel very heavy. It weighs around 198 grams only. And the best part is that you can see it comes with the pure Android. It doesn't have any bloatware pre-installed in the device. It comes with only Google apps, which is a great thing. And you can see the software experience can be enhanced. If you talk about the display, you can also switch into the dark mode, which I will definitely show you right now. And one thing, when you switch to the dark mode, definitely the experience is much better. It will not strain your eyes and even the battery will last a little longer. Here you can see few more things. You can even have an adaptive brightness. It is given inside the display, and also there is auto rotate option, auto rotate screen, and there is lock screen. You can even hide the notch also. If you want to hide, you can see on the top currently it is hiding the notch. Other than that, you can see the water drop notch also. So you can have the option, but I will recommend you to don't hide the notch. It will give you a better experience. So this is one thing that I will definitely recommend you. Now coming to the device, talking about the battery, it comes with a 5000 mAh battery and definitely it can last a little bit longer than a day, and if you are a non-heavy user then you can last up to 2 days also. Now talking about the Android version, it comes with the Android 11. Currently it is updated one. I will show you the system update also first. So let me go through that and show you the system update. Talking about the system update, it is updated on November 5th 2021. Currently it is more than 5 or 6 months that it hasn't got any update, but most probably you can expect that update will be rolled out very soon. Talking about the Android version, it is running on Android 11. I hope that Android 12 may come to this smartphone. And talking about the device, it looks pretty much sleek. It doesn't have any bloatware, so that is definitely an added advantage for the user. It looks pretty much clean and have a nicer UI, and it also comes with the Google Assistant inbuilt, which I have already shown you. Now talking about the device, we have few more things to discuss. So let's start with the settings first again. In that you will find intelligence assistance. Now what it does, if you go inside that, you can see there are few options regarding quick camera open, lift to check the phone. There is also three pointer to take the screenshot. So if you pull out the three fingers on the screen, it can take the screenshot. Flip to mute, easy to answer, easy to bell, toggle flashlight blink. Now quickly open the camera, you can switch it on, and if you press the volume up button twice, it will switch on the camera. You can even lift the phone to check what is the notification. So there are few quick settings which you can go and have a look on that. Coming to the device, unfortunately you are not getting any fingerprint sensor with the device, so definitely only one thing you are getting is the face unlock, other than the pattern code or the pin code. So the face unlock is pretty much smooth, it is faster, it doesn't take much time to register your face. Here you can see, and it unlocks the device also very easily and quickly. So currently you can see I am using the face unlock, and it works very smoothly and flawlessly. So it doesn't take much time to unlock your device, and definitely I will recommend you to register your face for doing the face unlocking feature. And since you don't have a fingerprint unlock feature, so that will be a disadvantage, a kind of thing. It has a unibody, so you can't take out the battery from the smartphone. So this is what we are getting. Now it doesn't have a 5G support. Coming to the camera, it comes with the dual camera setup, where the primary camera is 8 megapixel camera and the secondary camera is the depth camera. It also has the LED flash and it has AI camera. Coming to the front camera, it is a 5 megapixel camera. Let's start out with the modes what we are getting in the smartphone. So first of all, you are getting a panorama mode, then there is a portrait mode. In the portrait mode, here you can see 0.95 to f16. You can change the portrait setting. Even you can change click pictures with the portrait mode. You have a normal photo mode. You can also get the video mode. There is a slow motion. If you go to the more, there are a few more modes. It includes time lapse, filters, QR code, night mode. So there are enough modes to take out some good pictures or photos from the device. Now going to the settings, the volume key can be used as a shutter. It can be used for volume or also for zoom. It has a camera sound option. And talking about the picture setting, you can change the resolution from 8 megapixel to 6 megapixel, and also from 1:1 to 16:9, and also 1.2 megapixel. So it is up to you. Talking about the video settings, maximum you can capture is the full HD 1080p. It will be in the 30 fps. Talking about the front camera, it can also take the videos in 30 fps only. And if you talk about the video quality setting, it can capture maximum up to 1080p. It can also shoot 720p and 480p. So this is what you are getting in the front camera video setting. If you go to the photo mode, in the photo I will show you, it can capture from 5 megapixel, 3.8 megapixel, 3.7 and 1.2 megapixel is the picture resolution what you can click from it. We have tried and clicked some pictures and photos using the Micromax in 2C, and how are the results? Definitely I will show you the sample. Other than that, few more features what you are getting is the HDR mode. You can even have a quick Google Lens option in the camera only. You can have flash. You can also have the motion photos on and off. So this is what all the settings what you are getting inside the camera app. Now talking about the camera samples, here you can see this is a default photo without any mode change. Now this is the HDR mode on. After that I have taken with the portrait mode. So this is the portrait mode, and this is the HDR mode, and we can see the AI, but I didn't find much detail in that. This is the portrait mode, and this is the by default front camera normal photo mode what I have clicked. Now talking about the games, I can't show you the heavy games like BGMI or Call of Duty because due to the less storage, it comes with the 32 GB of internal storage, which is actually less for playing a bigger game like Call of Duty and BGMI. Talking about the processor, it comes with the Unisoc T610, which is an octa-core processor. So this is the processor what you are getting in 2C. and the variant will be only 3 GB and 32 GB storage variant. So this is the only variant what the Micromax is releasing in India currently now. Now talking about the box price, it is written 10,499, which is around 10,500. But I don't think that the product will be that costly. It will be much cheaper. But while making the video, I can't tell you the exact pricing for the device. So this is all about the Micromax in 2C model. If you have any question, you can drop in the comment section. We will reply that. And for more videos, you have to subscribe it. So guys, do subscribe to our channel. This is Vivin signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.